Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Food Review Part 3, Episode 3 or 4. I don't really know what we're on. I'm going to be drinking the Shamrock shake from Macdonald's. So first of all, they gave me a paper straw. Not doing well, okay? Open it. Open lid. It smells like fucking glue. But does it taste like glue? No. This straw doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna have to do this manually. We're gonna be licking it off the thing. Solid 5 out of 10. Would recommend to buy though. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe. All the women will be